Welcome to Houseboxhub, where modern design seamlessly merges with the tranquility of nature to create the ultimate living experience. Our modern modular house represents the perfect blend of architectural innovation and environmental harmony, offering a sanctuary where style and sustainability converge. Nestled amidst lush landscapes and breathtaking vistas, our modern modular house is designed to harmonize with its surroundings while providing residents with all the comforts of contemporary living. With sleek lines, minimalist aesthetics, and thoughtful design elements, this residence embodies the essence of modernity and sophistication. At Houseboxhub, we believe in the power of modular design to revolutionize the way we live. Our modern modular house is crafted with precision and attention to detail, utilizing cutting-edge materials and construction techniques to ensure quality and durability. Each module is carefully designed to maximize space and functionality, offering residents a flexible and customizable living environment. But our commitment to sustainability goes beyond design. From energy-efficient systems to eco-friendly materials, every aspect of our modern modular house is carefully chosen to minimize environmental impact and promote a more sustainable way of living. With features such as solar panels, rainwater harvesting systems, and green roofs, our residence is not just a home, it's a statement of our dedication to a greener future. Step inside, and you'll be greeted by light-filled interiors, open-plan living spaces, and seamless transitions between indoor and outdoor living areas. Floor-to-ceiling windows frame panoramic views of the surrounding landscape, blurring the boundaries between inside and out and inviting nature to become an integral part of everyday life. Whether you're relaxing in the spacious living room, preparing meals in the gourmet kitchen, or unwinding in the private bedrooms, our modern modular house offers a sanctuary where you can escape the hustle and bustle of the modern world and reconnect with the natural beauty that surrounds you. As you explore our modern modular house, we invite you to envision the possibilities of modern living in harmony with nature. Your support and positive feedback not only celebrate the beauty and innovation of our design but also inspire us to continue pushing the boundaries of sustainable architecture. Join us in embracing the future of living, where design and nature come together to create a truly extraordinary experience. Welcome to Houseboxhub.